In today's world, the effect of AI, as we all know, is immense, and especially for the students who are studying BCA. The hard reality is that definitely it is having an effect on the job market, but at the same time, the good news is that if we learn how to use AI, right, in our day-to-day work, whether we want to do coding, whether we want to do any contracting, or whether we want to develop a business document or a technical document or a PRD, we can use AI. But the challenge or the learning which I want to share, because I work with a lot of students, is that it's not about just giving a simple prompt and getting a code out of these tools. Now that is a disaster that happens. What you need to have a good understanding, and that's where the learning which is these courses that we taught in BCA is very important, where you build the fundamentals. So if you don't know, for example, right, how a database structure works, what is normalizations, and if you try to build a product, right, in 8 out of 10 cases that product will not work. So you need to know or have the basics or the technical architecture. You need to know how the entire application works, what is front end, what is middleware, what is indexing, right, what is clustering, how do you do the QA or the quality testing. So all these aspects which are there, right, now AI can help, right, but it is not that simple that I just give a command and it can build an end-to-end application which can work, right. So you need to know how to make it work. So it is very powerful, right? But what we need to learn is the fundamentals, the basics, because that doesn't go away. Okay, so both goes hand in hand. So BCA will help you fundamentals, but AI will assist you or help you on building anything on top of it. So that would be my advice.